get hold of one of these then. Look at that, beautiful, beautiful. Divine. How you doing? Not going to keep you long today. We're going to make another beautiful little toasted sandwich with chicken, onion and cheese. So I've got some chicken here, chicken breast, which I boiled in some salt water. I'll show you that, a little speed up of that coming up just after this. Cooled it down and then shredded it. I'm using mozzarella cheese, you could be using cheddar if you want, a little bit of onion, tiny amount of garlic, salt and pepper, that's it. Okay, mixing bowl, chicken's in goes that onion. I'm using a red onion, you could use white or maybe even some green onions if you want, like some spring onions. Tiny amount of garlic, you don't want too much in there, I don't think. Mozzarella cheese chopped, like I say, use a different cheese if you want, like a cheddar. Tiny amount of salt. And a nice big pinch of black pepper or two. Simply, we're going to give that a mix, then we're off. So as you can see, what I'm doing here is I've just melted some butter, and I've got a paintbrush here, or kitchen brush, whatever you want. And I like to brush this on. The reason I do this is because you get a really beautiful, even coating, and we get all the, all the edges in there beautifully. That's it. Let's get going. So we've got 4 slices of bread, as you saw, because we're going to make 2 sandwiches. The butter is the outside, so I'll flip these two. What we're going to do is get a nice big handful of our mixture, press it down into both of them. Nice and generous. Try and get those corners sorted out. Then what we're going to do is flip the other bread. Get it on, so it's got butter outside on the top and on the bottom. Beautiful, that's ready for our sandwich toaster. So I've got one of these fellows, that presses down like that, like a George Foreman. Not a George Foreman, this one. I've set it to maximum heat. It's just getting hot now. I'm going to pick them up, drop them on, close it, give it a little press down. Should be about 4 minutes. Okay, let's jump in, have a look, shall we? Oh yes. That is looking beautiful. Let's get these out, get them on the chopping board, and get them open. Okie dokie, look at these. Let's do the sound test, shall we, first? Sounding beautiful, and got a lovely, even crispiness, because of the way we put the butter on. Look at that. That is, look, I mean, that's amazing. Wow, wow, wow. I'm happy with that one. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.